Want to forward Google News updates to your Discord server? Here's how to set it up with RSS app in under a minute. No code required. First, go to Google News and search for any topic, company, or category you want. Copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Then, open RSS app. Paste the link into the generator and save your feed. Click the Discord icon on the right, log into your Discord account, select your server, and authorize RSS app to connect. Back in RSS app, choose the channel you want to post in from the dropdown. As soon as you save, the latest 3 news stories will be forwarded automatically so you can check the connection. And from then on, new posts will be sent to your Discord as soon as they're added to your feed. You can also push older posts manually with the Send Post button. From there, customize your feed, apply filters to remove duplicates and similar posts, or change the source. In the Settings tab, you can set the bot's name and avatar, and decide what appears in each post, full title and image, or just the URL. In the Actions tab, you can trigger mentions with specific keywords, or ignore posts that contain certain phrases. Finally, check the History tab to see exactly what was sent and when. That's it. Your Google News updates are now live in Discord. Try it now on rss.app.